Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the console has the latest system update installed. This rules out software-related shutdowns. Next, power cycle the Xbox. Unplug the power cable, wait 10 to 15 seconds to clear residual charge, then reconnect and restart. While doing this, make sure the wall outlet and any surge protector are working by testing another device. Once done, observe for immediate shutdowns. This step eliminates transient power glitches before deeper troubleshooting. Now inspect hardware and system settings to find persistent causes. You should remove external hard drives and USB accessories because faulty peripherals can force shutdowns. Try running the console without them. Next, check airflow. Move the Xbox to a well-ventilated spot and clear nearby obstructions since overheating triggers automatic power-offs. Finally, adjust power settings. Enable low power options and limit background apps so the CPU/GPU load is reduced. This prevents thermal or power-related shutdowns during heavy use. For advanced repair, perform a console settings reset or a factory refresh while keeping games and apps if possible. This resolves persistent firmware issues. If shutdowns continue, swap the power cable or try a different outlet and confirm stable voltage. This isolates possible PSU faults. If all else fails, backup saves and contact Xbox support or arrange service for potential hardware replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If shutdowns correlate with heavy load, suspect thermal or power.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.